Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Freightliner Coronado factory built glider kit. It's got a 12.7 Detroit, pre-emission, 10 speed. It's got 650 overall on the miles and 0 miles on the overhaul. Got it hot, gonna do a full walk around, show you what we got here. Let's go ahead and get it fired up and get started. 654. See the operating temp there. Good low side oil pressure, jumps up like it's supposed to. Pretty clean truck on the inside. Floor's in good shape, seats are in good shape. All the dash and doors and everything's intact. Got new steers. Frame's in good shape. Only rust I really see is a little bit up in the front. Some superficial add-on steel there. Body and paint overall is in good shape. The only blemishes I really see right there on that running board, which is an easy fix, and one little small spot there on the side. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.